If you're leaving Sky or switching to another product, you may be wondering whether you need to return your Sky TV or broadband equipment. Let's break it down for you so you know what to expect. If you've got Sky Q or broadband equipment, we'll let you know what needs to be returned and when. You'll get a text message or an email with all the details, so keep an eye out. If you've bought Sky Glass and changed your mind, you can return it within 31 days of delivery. After that, it's yours to keep, even if you leave Sky. And if you're returning Sky Stream, it depends on when you bought it. If you got it before the 23rd of February 2023, it's yours to keep. Anything after that, you'll have to return it. So the key thing to remember, if there's anything you need to send back, we'll let you know. Just check your texts and emails and follow the instructions. And if you're ever unsure, head to sky.com/help for more info. Thanks for watching.
Got what you need? Great. Tap another video or hit subscribe to stay updated.